Okay, so as you guys know, I'm going to be decorating for fall today, and these are just all of my decorations I'm going to be putting up. They're not a whole lot, but they're what I got. So I think I need to collect some more. I am going to get some other pillows for, well, it's not focusing. Pillows for the couch, or just covers for these pillows. But when I get to that, I will show you what pillows I'm thinking of getting, or pillow covers I'm thinking of getting for those pillows there. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this quilt thing here. So on this side, it just, oh, don't mind the strap, just says different little things on it. And then the other side looks like this. As my phone starts ringing. The other side looks like this, and I actually made this quilt. I don't know if I like it here on my couch or what. It's kind of what I made it for, is to kind of hang over the couch. But I don't know if I like it there. But I might like it if I changed out these pillowcases. And I did want to show you what I wanted to go with here. So I saw these really pretty, if it'll focus, let me try to focus it a little bit better here for you. So I found these pretty like burnt orange ones. But then there's these cute autumn ones. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing. But I just wanted to use these two here. So the one that says autumn, and then the one that is blue one here. So I like this one and this one. I mean, this one's okay. I mean, they're all okay. But they come in a 4-pack. Because my kitchen has like a teal in it, so I thought maybe those ones would be okay. I'm not sure yet, so comment down below and let me know which one you think would go best. I think the burnt orange would look good with this, and it'll go with, you know, the pumpkins that I just put over here, but I don't know. So yeah, just comment down below and let me know what you guys think about that.
To hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. We run and go still, every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better